Kia ora tātou. This is about our father. Every year, a special day is set aside for New Zealanders to honour and commemorate those men and women who left our shores to answer the call to safeguard and maintain the freedom and safety we as a nation enjoy. My father was one who answered the call and left our shores as a member of the 28th Māori Battalion, D Company 18 Platoon. He saw service in North Africa, where he lost his left arm at El Munasab Depression, and in doing so he picked up his arm and threw it at the enemy machine gun post. When his father received a telegram to say his son was near death, he took himself to bed for 3 days and 3 nights and said karakia or prayers for the safe return of his son. Thank you, Grandpa Jack. On his return to our shores, he married our mother, Queenie Hana Moira Mokaikai Jacobs, and raised a family of 9 children on a small farm on the outskirts of Blenheim. He did not speak about his time overseas with the 28th Māori Battalion. He was typical of those that return, wanting to return to his normal life without the horror of war, to forge a better life for his children and for future generations. Thank you, Dad. We will always remember you in your unselfish ways. You have been a great model to your whānau. Our father's name was Rewi Maniapoto MacDonald, named after great fighting chief, Tainui chief, who whangaid our grandmother, Maria Christina Shasha. E waka eke no,